We are pleased to show you the 2020 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: passenger airbag, driver airbag, cruise control, power windows, airbags, power seats, telescopic steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.